Vlogmas Day 10.
So it means 16 days na lang papasko na po, guys. Grabe. Nakabili na ba kayo ng mga regalo nyo sa mga loved ones nyo? Ano na? Ilang araw na lang uuwi na rin ako ng Pinas. Sobrang excited na ako. I think nabili ko na lahat ng kailangan kong bilhin. Now naman, for myself. So, on the way ako ngayon papunta sa salon. Actually, 12 yung appointment ko. It's already 11:41. Sakto lang naman, malapit lang yon. So, yun guys. And also, magpapa-color ako ng hair kasi ang color of the year is parang chocolate brown. So, alam niyo na, we need to make our hair color of the year para pumasok ang swerte. Charot. Pero yun. Papakolor ako ng hair, papamani-pedi. And then, yun lang. Super bright red. Hindi yung wildfire, may iba pa ba? Aside from wildfire. Devil red. Devil red? Devil red to? 255?
I-ano ko ang.
O sige. Manyung tapos no, red, bright red for Christmas. Maganda.
What do you think about this one? Or is it too light for you?
It's too dark.
Little bit 5.0 and with this one 535.
But it will still show in the hair?
Yes. For the shade I will use this one, but for the whites we will use this one. So I will mix both of them, 5.0 and 535.
Okay.
Okay. color is better now than earlier. Oh my god. Yeah, I like it. Thank you so much. Color of the year, chocolate brown.
$20. Okay, thank you. Guys, kakatapos ko lang. Maganda ba? Comment naman kayo kung maganda. O, diba? Hair refreshed. Is na-cover yung mga white hair ko. Meron na kasi akong white hair. Aging is real. Tapos, nagpag-wire na ako ng nails. Yung paa, hindi ko napapakita kasi may mga foot fetish dyan. Tapos, ayan, may kasama ng blow dry and everything. Hair refresh. I love it. Yay. I'm so happy. Okay talagang service ng Tips and Toes. Hindi ko siya makakompare sa ibang salon. So, pagbalik ko, magpapabotox ako. Or maybe before my birthday. Yun yung plan ko. Parang pinapa-healthy ko muna siya now. Kaya hindi ko muna siya pinagalaw. Okay na muna to for now. Actually, yung pinili ko pang hair color is yung walang ammonia para talagang safe sa hair. So, yun lang guys. I think i-end ko na yung vlog dito. Uwi na ako. And mag-iimpake, I think. Tapos, kain na lang kami sa labas because wala na akong time para magluto and tinatamad na talaga ako. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!